Well, go on guys, Jamieson here, bringing you another FPV video. This time I'm going to be introducing you guys to racing. Let's just start this off real quick. So I just engaged the engines. So yeah, this is Secret Gardens. This is a place that I introduced the FPV community to. If you know where it is, then good for you. If not, sorry, it's a secret. But yeah, these are the gates that we fly through when we're racing. We have to fly through them in order. If not, you get disqualified. We're using this tree as a gate as well. So I'll use these first two laps to kind of show you the course layout. If you get easily motion sick, then stop. This is a start, so that's a start. There's these two red flags, which we kind of use as a chicane. If you know what a chicane in racing is, then that's what that is supposed to emulate. Back through this gate, down this road path here, line up this tree, which is very important, very tricky. You don't want to crash into that tree. Through that gate and back through the ruins. You do a little S through this ruin, kind of a chicane as well. Wrap around the ruin, back through the star gate. All right, so those are the warm-up laps. There's a pilot behind me. That's iShack behind me, much faster than I am. He's gonna pass me. There he is. He passes me. He's been flying for more than 10 years. I've been flying for like 6 months. Much faster guy, a veteran in the sport in Jamaica. And I'm just trying to keep entertaining, so I'm actually pushing myself here quite a bit, trying to keep up with this brother. Start gate again, the chicane. I lose a lot of time here. I'm not so fast to the chicane. I definitely have a lot more improving to do, but yeah, this is a really fun course. We designed it for the first time this week. Incorporated that sky gate through the tree yesterday for the first time. Definitely a new challenge there. Yeah, as I said, like, I am a beginner. I am, I'm learning really fast, but some of these guys have been flying for like literally over a decade, so just trying to keep up. He's definitely just playing around with me. I think iShack just missed the gate, so he's behind me, but he's gonna pass me. There he is. He's gonna pass me there, and you see me threading the throttle, trying not to crash into the behind of his quad. Really good, exciting stuff there. Back through this gate. Yeah, so sometimes when you miss I get lucky. They miss the gates, and I get to pass them, and they have to circle back around. But this guy's so quick that I think I passed him again there. He missed the gates again, and there he is with a crazy pass. Like, if we had an audience watching that's what they want to see. They want to see those near crashes, those really, really close passes. Like, that's what makes it so exciting. Yeah, I'm just pushing here, trying my hardest not to crash. This is definitely something that you have to practice a lot on. It's a lot of muscle memory. I lost control there. You can't really see it, but I lost control there for a split second. Just saved it narrowly enough not to go down. And here we go. I missed the gate. So remember what I said, you have to go through these gates in order, or else you get disqualified. When flying against someone like iShack one-on-one, however, I will not be trying to catch him back up. So I kind of slow down here. You can see me kind of cruising now. So I'm planning to land. I'm just finishing that part of the course, and this is where we exit if we're going to land right here. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. That is FPV racing. Ooh, yeah. Have a good one.